Hello everyone, this is going to my fifth day, and today we will discuss five important topics that is going on in India. First, why 9 ex-servicemen were detained in Qatar. These 9 ex-servicemen in Qatar used to give training to the Navy of Qatar, but they had been detained in August 2022 by Qatar government and on the allegation of intelligence and sharing the secret mission to other countries. And the lower court of Qatar made them responsible for the detention of allegation of intelligence and gave them a death as their punishment. And only 7 days had been left for their death. As our foreign minister S. Jaishankar has promised India that Indian government can do every possible way to save them. Second topic is going to be CAA, means Citizenship Amendment Act. Citizenship Amendment Act introduced in Parliament in 2014, but due to some problems, it could be implemented in 2019. As per Citizenship Amendment Act, most people of our country think that she is only against the Muslim, but this is not true. As the people as the religion who were in minority in the countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, they have got a right to be moved and resettled in India. As in these three countries, Pakistan were in majority religion. That's why it is going to be CA. And third topic is going to be recently we see that Indian government had fined many UPSC coaching. Why they do so? They do so because of this coaching has misleading the youth by fake advertisement, like that same children these all institutes show same children from their own institute, which is not possible, and that's why Indian government imposed taxes. And third most demanding topic, we are going to say that why frequently earthquake will come in northeastern India. There are many reasons for that. First is development project that is going on in mountain regions. This is the main reason. And second reason is that China has created a dam on Brahmaputra River that could slow down the rotation of Earth by 2 milliseconds every year. This is also the main reason. And second reason, as we see in Uttarakhand recently had been get affected by flood. What are the main reasons? The main reason behind that is that due to a redevelopment project, many houses and livelihood of people get destroyed, and they have been moved to other country. As the Supreme Court of India has stopped the construction of redevelopment